three-dimensional depiction is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. So things like art and drawing and painting and music really gives you a deep, solid scientific understanding of how things work.
Oh, the Jeff Richards show.
Oh.
In almost a choreographed march across your forehead.
Three-dimensional depiction is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface.
It's okay. it's okay, because
Yeah. All right, man.
Nut butter. I like a little nut in my butter.
Yes, doctor. Give me his name, doctor. Give me his name, doctor. But let's not get off track.
No.
Your real name is Bradley Henry Gerstenfeld.
Well, Bill Murray discovered you. It was right.
Let me ask you that. Was it easier having been...
You ate up any social media you want to plug?
Why don't you go sit on a pile of beef and shove it up your ass? Why don't you...
David Attenborough.
Go to the game. No,
Boy, killing it for you, boy.